In this video, I'll show you how to report a bug in Jira. Alright, so if you need to report a bug to the team, what you want to do is go to the top here where it says create, then choose the specific project, then change work type from story to bug, and now we need to make a small summary. Explaining the bug, very short, because we will go to description to type in a detailed description of the problem. Then all we need to do is set the priority. And we don't need to worry about setting start dates and so forth, unless, of course, that is something you need to worry about. And from there, we are pretty much done and we can just hit create. And there we go. We have now created a bug report for the other members of this board, whoever's responsible for dealing with that. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like, hit subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video.